Unit 620, Costs, Scope, and Budget.
The most expensive part of any project is scope creep. Requirements are collected and agreed upon that create the roadmap for completion. However, users that test pre-releases often say, "That's not what I asked for," or "I didn't realize you could do that," which inevitably leads to scope creep that extends the delivery date. Business analysts collect requirements from users by asking questions about their workflow. A user story is then created that engineers use to code the software. But humans understand that training a machine to do their job may not have a desirable outcome. So a user might inadvertently leave out critical details to ensure their position. Infrequent or sporadic workflows can also be overlooked if they don't align with the timing of requirement assessments. Firms are also concerned about intellectual property and that methods revealed to a vendor may wind up in the product for competitors to use. These issues are often the cause of scope creep. Understanding why scope creep happens may help to avoid it by addressing these issues head-on. However, firms should budget for overruns of 5% to 15% since some realizations about their workflow could benefit from limited scope creep. 25% to 40% of a firm's budget could be allocated to technology. 15% to 25% could be used for maintenance and upgrades. An investment strategy might be heavily reliant on fast data access that also comes with higher costs or need expensive compute time for AI predictive analytics. Change management helps a firm remain flexible and still control the limited resources a firm may have. Changes to a roadmap should be justified by return on investment analysis. A firm needs to be flexible to capitalize on sudden opportunities.
Unit 620, Costs, Scope, and Budget.